A machine is simply defined as any combination of bodies so connected that their relative motions are constrained in a way to simplify human work. Almost 25 years ago, the plastic industry was highly dependent on manual power and labor for the production of goods, which in return created many problems such as low production capacity, inaccuracy, lower efficiency, and higher conversion cost. In order to tackle with such problems, VR came into existence with vision in mind to automize the plastic industry, to deal with the problems in low productivity and accuracy, to reduce manual power and labor. We are Navrang Machinery Private Limited. With over experience of more than 25 years in the industry, we, an ISO 9001-2015 company, Navrang Machinery Private Limited, are one of the leading manufacturers of machinery for woven sack industry, plastic and packaging industry like extrusion, coating and laminating plants, auto woven sack cutting machines, tuber center pasting machine, twist gusset machine, and a range of bag making machine. We have sold our machineries in more than 21 different countries across the globe. We are offering a diverse range of products utilizing the latest technology for manufacturing. We keep providing the most advantageous machines to our customers, featured with their accurate indexing and microprocessor control with digital display. The offered machines are known for uninterrupted performance and low power consumption properties. Our best quality products enables us to stand tall in one of the biggest exhibitions.
We always strive to be the best and move in the direction of the progress, and that's why we take part the renowned exhibitions in the world like KSO in the Germany, NP in USA, Plast India, Arab Plast, Vietnam Plast, Sri Lanka Plast, and many other exhibitions to know the technological development in the market and to connect with our customer globally.
The offered lamination plants are widely used for coating thin layer of polyethylene and polypropylene on substrates like woven sacks, tarpaulins, jumbo bags, BOPP film, paper, aluminium foil, polyester film, cotton fabrics, jute, non-woven fabrics, etc.
We are using this company's lamination plant since last 10 years. We are satisfied with the quality and the service. We are never any problem in this lamination plant since 10 years.
There are the reasons behind our success and being a trustworthy brand. Superior quality, vast industrial experience, prompt service, customized products, timely delivery, team of skilled personnel, competitive prices, ethical business dealing. Because of these principles, our company has earned a name for itself in the domestic as well as in the international market. We are equipped with a huge infrastructure to manufacture the most advantageous machines for our customers. Our infrastructure is divided into various units to ensure a smooth execution of all the processes. At our manufacturing unit, we utilize the quality assured components to manufacture the machines as per the industry set norms. After being manufactured, these machines undergo various quality checks to ensure a defect-free range for our customers.
We are expanding our production capacity to the double. This is to cater the higher demand of our machine from the market.
This advanced facility enables us to undertake bulk orders and complete the same within the promised time frame. We set high standards for our product quality and observe its continuity. High quality, reliable performance, longer service life, better finishing.
We manufacture our product range with adherence to strict and set industrial standards. And moreover, our quality control department, which is highly qualified and highly experienced, They assure and they rigorously test each and every manufactured product in a case where a defected product should not be delivered to our esteemed clients.
In addition to this, these products are manufactured using optimum quality components that are sourced from the most reliable vendors of the market. To provide a range of latest and advantageous machines to our customers, we are supported by a team of skilled professionals. These professionals are always in touch with latest technology and ready to adapt them.
We at Navrang Machinery always believe in delivering state-of-the-art machines. Looking to latest innovation in the international market, we are committed to the quality and after-sales service to get the repeat orders.
Working under the motivating leadership of our mentors, we have gained a remarkable position in the markets. We are well appreciated all over. We have served to all the leading groups of woven sack industry, nationally and internationally. Client satisfaction is the prime motto of our organization, and we strive in providing quality products to them.
અમે નવરંગ મશીન 2 વર્ષથી યુઝ કરી રહ્યા છીએ અને વી આર ટોટલી સેટિસ્ફાઈડ વિથ ધીસ કંપની એન્ડ પરફોર્મન્સ ઓફ મશીન ઇઝ વેરી ગુડ. વી હેવ નો એની કમ્પ્લેન્ટ્સ.
We also provide customized options with the help of our trained professionals. We guarantee that an instant support is provided to our clients in case of any technical breakdown.
We are using coating line of Navrang Machinery for coating of PP woven fabric for FIBC and others. And the machine is good and we are satisfied with the performance of the machine.
We are well apprised by our huge client base group all over the country and across the globe. We are Navrang Machinery Private Limited.